Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Hinata Image ID and Grow a Garden 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. In Grow a Garden 2, there is a new item which is called the picture frame. And if you want to get the picture frame, you need to buy picture frame crate from the props shop. And then you can open it. Then you can place the picture frame in your garden. And this is the picture frame. And you can add image ID to the picture frame, and the ID will give you an image for your picture frame. For example, I got this image, and if you want to have this image in your garden, you can add this ID. 6777333 627, and when you add this image ID, you will get this Hinata image in your garden. And I think this is a cool feature guys, because we can add image to our picture frame, and it can be a decoration for our garden. Okay guys, and that's the image ID for Hinata and Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.